Country comfort outside and cowboy chic inside, this custom-built home is charmingly unique. Quality built for their personal home by experienced builders, this one has everything you need. From the wood interiors, the tile floors, sliding pocket doors and so many other custom touches, this home pleases in every way. The beautiful kitchen offers custom-built hickory cabinets. A large island make this kitchen a joy to work in. The primary suite offers a great bath and a huge walk-in closet. Enjoy the outdoors with a huge shaded lot, great privacy area in back with open patio, covered deck and hot tub. Completely fenced front and back, this home includes an attached garage, and with shop and 300 amp service, RV hookup and dump station, and so much more.